How much should you actually spend on a cold pressed juicer? It's confusing, right? You see cheap options and pricey ones, but which is really worth it? Let's dig a bit deeper to find out. Product number 1, Wypone Cold Press Juicer. First up is the Wypone Cold Press Juicer, priced at $152.46. What caught my attention here is its impressive 5.8-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits without any chopping. If you want a juicer that saves you time and hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Wypone operates at a low speed of 55 RPM, which means it minimizes heat and oxidation. This helps retain nutrients in your juice, giving you that fresh taste and health benefits. Plus, it boasts a high juice yield of up to 99%, which is fantastic if you're looking to get the most out of your produce. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this. Now, some people mentioned it can be a bit tricky to clean due to its design. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the 3 main parts, it actually...
Product number 2, Ionorous 3-in-1 Juicer. Next, we have the Ionorous 3-in-1 Cold Press Juicer, retailing for $279.53. What stands out is its multifunctionality. You can make juice, nut milk, and frozen sorbet all in one machine. If you want versatility in your kitchen, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Equipped with a massive 6.5-inch feed chute, it can handle larger fruits like apples easily, cutting down your prep time significantly. The 100-ounce capacity hopper means you can juice enough for the whole family in one go, which is a game changer for meal preppers. Plus, its whisper-quiet AC motor ensures you won't wake anyone up while juicing. However, some users did mention that it's a bit bulky, which can be a challenge if you have limited counter space. Here's the thing though, the extra capacity and features more than make up for the slight inconvenience if you plan to use it regularly. This is perfect for you if you're into making various healthy drinks and need something that can keep up with your family's demands. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and simple, but the value is excellent for its price. All right, that was a solid option. Product number 3, Ninja Never Clog Juicer. The third juicer is the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer, priced at $190.58. What impressed me here is its total pulp control feature, allowing you to choose how much pulp you want in your juice. If you're picky about your texture, this is a great option. Here's why this matters. With 2 interchangeable pulp filters, you can customize your juice exactly how you like it. Less pulp for a smoother drink, or more for that fibrous texture. The high torque motor means it can handle tough ingredients effortlessly, giving you consistent results every time. Plus, with all parts being dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But here's the thing, considering its powerful performance and the quality of juice it produces, I think the noise level is a minor trade-off for the results you get. This is perfect for you if you love customizing your juice experience and want a machine that can tackle any ingredient. Skip this if you prefer a quieter operation, but it offers strong performance for its price. If you want something with a bit more capacity, let's move on to the next model. Product number 4, Cannoli C16 Juicer. Coming in fourth, we have the Cannoli C16 Cold Press Juicer at $254.05. This one caught my eye with its 3-in-1 functionality, allowing you to make juice, nut milk, and sorbet. If you're looking for a multitasker in your kitchen, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters. The 6-inch wide feed chute means you can skip chopping your fruits and veggies. The powerful AC brushless motor operates super quietly while maximizing juice yield, which is fantastic if you have early risers at home. Plus, it has a 90-ounce capacity, perfect for batch juicing. However, a few users mentioned that the setup can be a little intimidating at first. Here's the thing though, once you familiarize yourself with it, it's quite straightforward, especially with the detailed instructions included. This is perfect for you if you want to create a variety of healthy drinks for your family without spending too much time. Skip this if you're looking for a no-fuss, basic juicer. but it definitely offers great value for its versatility. If you need something even more budget-friendly, check out the last option on our list.
Product number 5, LQZ Cold Press Juicer. Finally, we have the LQZ Cold Press Juicer, priced at $101.64. What's appealing here is its affordability, while still providing a 5.4-inch feed chute for whole fruits. If you're on a budget but want a reliable juicer, this could be a solid choice. Here's why this matters. While it has a lower price point, it still features a 350-watt motor that operates at 50 RPM, which helps reduce oxidation and preserve nutrients. Its double-layer filtration system means you get smooth juice without much pulp. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. That said, some users did mention that it requires hand washing only, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little extra effort for a budget-friendly juicer, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your juicing journey and want something effective without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end machine, but for the price, it's a great value. So there you have it. Each of these juicers brings something unique to the table.
To wrap it up, we've covered a range of juicers today, from the versatile Ionorus to the budget-friendly LQZ. Each of these products has its strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs. Whether you're after high capacity, customization, or a simple solution, there's something here for everyone. Happy juicing!